how are you? Hope you all are good and fine. Today I am going to take your class 2 subject mental math. Your chapter name is chapter 5 division. In your main course book I have already finished your division portion. Now I am going to start the sums are given in mental math. That how you will do that I am going to show you. First we are going to solve the exercise 1. Here the first question is complete the multiplication and division facts. I have already just show you the process how you can solve the multiplication facts and the division facts. So you just do. Here the first is the multiplication fact. Here already it was solved. 8 into 9, that is 72. So 72 divided by 8. What is the answer? 8 9 ja 72. You just on the table of 8. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56, and 8 8 ja 64, 8 9 ja 72. So our answer is 8 9 ja 72. Then 72 divided by 9. 72 divided by 9. Then in the 9 table, 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 8 ja 72, 9 8 ja 72. Here, then you go write here 9 8 ja 72. Like this way you can actually here in the multiplication it was already written. Okay, then you can easily just first to divide this 72 with 8, then you again divide this 72 with 9, then you get the answer. This is your division fact. Then in the question number B, 4 into 8 32. In the division fact we are going to write 32 divided by 8. So what will be the answer? 32 8 4 ja 32, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32. And again in the next one 32 is divided by 4. So you just on the table of 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 8 ja 32, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 32. So here is the 4 8 ja 32. Again the C, 6 into 7 is 42. Here 42 is first divided with 6. 42 divided by 6. So yeah, again the 6 1 is 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 is ja 36, 6 7 ja 42. So 6 7 ja 42. Okay, then 42 divided by 7. 42 divided by 7. Again table of 5, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 8, 7 3 ja 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42. So here 7 6 ja 42. Like this way you have to do. Then the question number D, 9 into 5 45. This is the multiplication fact. Then 45 is first divided with 9. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 8, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 4 36, and 9 5 ja 45. Then this one is divided by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 6 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja. That is 5 9 ja 45. So this one you can do like this. Then in the question number 2, divide each of the following into equal groups by putting a box and write the result. So here some pictures are given. So you have to divide each pictures in the equal groups. So let's how we will do the first one is solving your book. See, this one is already solved. I am going to show you the picture number B and C, and D you have to do yourself. First, count the pictures. How many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is the group of the 15 pictures are there. So we can just divide it in the equal group. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. just you circle it, make the group of 5. Then okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of ball is 15. So we can divide the group we can divide the 3 groups. 15 balls we can divide in 3 groups, and in each group how many balls are there? 5 balls there. So first we can write that how many numbers of ball, that is 15. Then 15, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. Write 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15. In each group how many balls are there? 5 balls are there. Then in this group, just this is the picture of the ball, bat. So you have to divide this bat in the equal group. How many bats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can divide the bat in 2 groups. 1, 2. So how many bats are there? It is 8. How many groups? 1, 2. On each group how many bats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you count the table of 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. Here 2 4 is 8. Like this way you can do. Then this is your in the next page. Exercise 2. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks. You have to do the fill in the blanks. Here how many oranges? This is like a word problem. Yes, some pictures are drawn. So you just see it carefully how you will just count the pictures and fill the boxes. 12 question number B. Here one question is this one you have to do yourself. That is question number A. I will just going to solve a B and C. 12 oranges are divided into 3 equal groups. How many oranges are there? 12 oranges. This is divided into 3 equal groups. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 12 oranges are divided in 3 equal groups. 1, 2, 3. The 3 equal groups. Each group has 4 oranges. How many oranges in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each group 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say this, we already read 12 divided by 3. If number of oranges is 12, so you can write the 12 divided by 3 and number of group is 1, 2, 3. 3. So you can write here 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay. Then number C. 18 magic stars are divided into 6 groups. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 magic stars are there and it is divided into 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each group has 3 magic stars. In each group how many stars are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. So we can write it like this. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. So we can write here 18 divided by 6. So you can, if you count the table of 6, the equal 6 1 is 6, 6 is 12, 6 is 18. Okay, that is okay here plus. Then number 2 question. Fill in the boxes. Here the 3 equal groups. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 equal groups are there. So in each group, how many? This is The sum dots are there. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will write here 15. And how many groups? 1, 2, 3. So just count the table as 3. 3, 1 is 3, 3, 2 is 6, 3 is 9, 3, 4 is 12, 3, 5 is 15. That means in one group, 5 dots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number E. 8 equal groups. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in each group, how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So in one group